Get into a car with value. 2020 Nissan Armada. With less than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size, three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, heated mirrors, backup camera, 8-cylinder engine, remote engine start, power liftgate, fog lamps, blind spot monitor. Get the full-size SUV that's as capable as it is comfortable. This Armada does it all in style. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.